Yeah, hello, good day. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali once again. I'm a Yoruba guy from Nigeria, and in my tribe, there is a kind of saying like "Shetsi go," and the response will be "Shekini." Okay, for my non-Yoruba guys, especially for non-Nigerians, it's simple. The question is, have you had? And the next response will be what? Okay, have you heard about the paying thing in town? I was meant to say the best thing because I usually talk about the best thing. But in this case, I'm not saying it's the best. I'm not even saying it is good, nor do I say it is bad. But what I'm just saying is it's art in town. It's, making, giving money. It's like doing giveaway. And marketers call it volatility trades. And why some call it volatility AI, anything now is AI. And then everything now is trade. Okay, but the company themselves call themselves as in volatility arbitrage, and I think that goes around with their website. Okay, so if you can hear the website, simply means volatilityarbitrage.com. So that simply means they are simply just an arbitrage project, and this always like make me shiver. When I hear arbitrage, I hear scam. Did you hear me? Okay. Anything arbitrage, I hear scam. But I think you understand we've been in this journey for a while, for newbies, and that is exactly what usually happens. You see, arbitrage is just buying and selling of coins from either different platforms or taking advantage of what we know as triangular arbitrage. And also we can, do inter exchange. We can also do inter protocols like interdex. It's just like buying low and selling high. That's just it. But instead of the regular buy low and sell high on spot, it's an instant buy low and sell high. You're taking advantage of two different platforms to just do what we know as arbitrage. So that's arbitrage for you, but because it seems not to be that easy doing because of the fluctuation in prices of coins, and because of what again? Because of fluctuation in prices of coins, and also because it's not even easy, sending one coin, buying one coin here and go to sell in another place, because values are always very funny, it's always volatile, and that is why I think the system is calling themselves volatility. My God. Okay. This system seems to be paying very well, and all you just need to do is to register with a link. I'll drop my link below in case you wanna test run this. But I personally believe it's a high risk project. But you know what? High risk project pays, and they pays before they stop paying. So you might just want to check this. Just register with a link and you are here. That's just it. You're here, and the only thing you just need to do is to deposit money into these accounts. Sorry, into your account. Just deposit. And where do we have deposit? I think I saw deposit somewhere. Okay, this is add fund and this is withdraw funds. Okay, so you need to add your funds. When you click add funds, you get this. So you copy this by clicking on this Okay, you copy and you go ahead and add your fund through BEP20. Make sure you're using the Binance network, which is a BEP20 address. And they said that their minimum, the minimum amount of money you can send here is $1 because there seems to be a charge of $1. So if you send $1 here, if you send $1 here, that simply means that is going to be for the gas fee, the gas fee. So that's that. Okay, and oh, where am I? Okay, that's on that. Then you can also make your withdrawal, and I think withdrawal also it's instant. I think I have not made a withdrawal. I think it's instant also. Make use of you just add your, what do we call it, the amount you want to withdraw. Then you put in your wallet address, which is also BP20. Then you click withdraw. So things are advanced now. Okay, I guess till withdrawal keeps going. That's all you do. Then what do you need to do? You need to just come here and pick a trade. Just pick your trade, and they have putting it in. This particular trade will go for just minimum of $100. It could be more than that, and this is going to give you 2%. And this is also minimum of $100, and this is going to give you 1.9 percent right now. This is $100, and this is going to give you 2.01. So you just choose the one you want. Probably you might want the least, which I guess you want to. Okay, and we also have trade of $50, which a minimum of $50, which is 1.53. This one also is $50, which is 1.5551. Okay, so just choose your trade. Probably click on the trade and put the amount you want to trade with. The amount you want to trade with. Okay, $5. I know it is a minimum of $50, but I don't even have up to that amount. Minimum amount to trade is $50. It has written that. So let's try $55. I don't even have the money on the account right now. My fund later in the day to see, it says insufficient balance. So now, what usually happen is when you make that trade, the trade would close in less than 12 hours. Let's say less than 12 hours. I'm just putting it in the high place, like less than 12 hours. I think this particular project might last. And when I said might last, that simply means I know it is not going to be forever. Or, sorry, that simply means I feel it's not going to be forever, because I didn't create this and I don't know the techniques about it, but it is as like normal. It is normal. Like we've gone through COTP, which was the grandfather of all these creations, and the name on arbitrage. So we know the way it works. Don't let us deceive ourselves. This is going to go because it's just the same concept. But what I'm saying here is there's regulation. How do I mean there's regulation is this? The worst scenario is they will tell you trades does not close. So trade will not close. Instead of them to dupe you and start telling you cannot withdraw your fund, trade will not just close. Trade might just take a day or two. So while some people are making their trades and it is going, probably the newbies, the old ones who had made some money, their trades might not close or something. The way they will do this is there's a regulation. So there is a balancing in what they are going to be paying out. So it's not like a free stuff whereby you mandate what is going out every day. As in where you cannot control what goes out every day. In this one, the way of controlling trades is just to tell you the trades is yet to sell. So when there's going to be balancing. What usually kill Ponzi scheme is the amount of money. There's always going to be a time whereby the flow will be less. I mean, what I'm trying to say is there's going to be a time whereby money that is coming in into the business, money that is coming into the business is not going to be up to what is going out. That's what usually kill systems like this. That means there will be little traffic compared to what is paying out. But here, when the traffic is little, they will control what goes out with this trade. So that's just it. It's a simple ideology. It's something we self don't take for this game. So I want to believe it's gonna pay off, at least for now. So if you're a good risk taker, take this before it lasts, and probably, please, like we always say, it's becoming a normal grammar in the crypto world. Like, coming with your risk level, coming according to your financial risk level. So that's just my advice here. So presently here you can check the markets, talking about what you have in the market that you can trade. Then here you can check your running trades. That means trades that are running. I'm not running any trade as at this time. Then the completed trades. Then trades that you canceled. If it doesn't, sell on time, but probably you want to cancel it. Okay, so I think that's that. Notifications, other notifications, no notification yet. Okay, then we have settings. Okay, what else do we have here? Okay, nothing much on the settings. Okay, what else do we have? Overview. Oh, they didn't talk about the percentage profit, but I think I wrote it down somewhere. The percentage profit. Okay, as you can see, we have just 3 levels. That means the people you refer, those they refer, and those they refer, just 3 levels. So for everything anybody on your first level hands or make, you have access to 5% per day on whatever they are making. Then 2% on your second level, 1% on your third level. It's making sense. So this is how many percent. This is about 7% out. Oh, 8%. So 5% of whatever they make on your first on the first level. That means anytime they are making money, they're trading. The trade is not something that you know when it's gonna end. They make it look like see my English. They make it look like I'm so sure. Okay. I think they make it look like, okay, let me put it that way. I think they make it look like it's awesome, like it's a normal trade. So sometimes a trade might just take 2 hours, 5 hours, depending on their regulations. Or I think it depends on their regulations to try and balance in and out. So, and as you can see, if you're making 2% per day, it really makes sense. 2% per day. So even if it is just one trade that you will have in a full day, I think it makes sense. So I think it makes sense. I think it makes sense. Okay, to 2% per day. It makes sense now. You can pick a trade that makes 2% per day. That's sensible. That's awesome. So, and that's awesome. So, if you have some free money that you can play around with, probably it depends on you. What is your capital? What is the amount you can play around with? So, that will determine you. So, thank you very much. God bless you. So, in case you want to risk this, I think I should create a WhatsApp group where people can see all these high risk projects, because I know some people love this and they really love it. Okay, God bless you. Bye for now.